Let's walk through how to add multiple links to an existing digital link using a link set, a secondary landing page that holds all your extra URLs. First, log into your digital link dashboard. Find the digital link you want to update, click the three-dot menu, and choose Link Setup. To add a new link, click Add Link. Then select a link type. You can check the link there for more information about them, enter its URL, select its language, and name it. When you're done, click Add to save it. If you need to update or remove a link later, use the three-dot menu next to that link. To see all the links you've added, click the link under GS1 Links Configuration. That'll open the link set page where everything is listed, and that's it. You've now added multiple links to your digital link. If you've got questions, check the support section or leave a comment.